Bonjour, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. David and I enjoy pork chops, and here's our foolproof cooking method we like to use during the winter months. So let's get cooking. Before we begin, I'm using boneless pork loin chops, but on the blog, I give the cooking time for bone-in, so check it out. Alright, so after patting them dry, we'll transfer them to a bowl and pour on some olive oil. Then we'll season the chops with ground sea salt and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. I prefer them over plain black pepper. From here, it's up to you. You can add paprika, herbe de Provence, garlic powder, and so on. Today, I'm going with Italian seasoning. And to get my homemade blend, click the link on the top right corner of your screen. Next, we'll flip them and repeat with the same ingredients: olive oil, salt, pepper, and the seasoning of your choice if you add some. One by one, we'll coat the sides with the oil seasoning mixture and place them in a baking dish lined with foil. We'll now transfer them to a 400-degree preheated oven and bake for 7 minutes. We'll remove them from the heat and quickly flip the chops. I prefer using a fork, but I'm sure tongs should do the job as well. We'll return them to the oven for an additional 7 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. As you saw in this video, season them the way you want and pop the chops in the oven. Voila, super easy. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!